Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another day in the market. It is non-farm payrolls day. Shout out to all of you guys that are coming in here bright and early for the early stream today. I know we always start at 9 a.m., but non-farm payroll day. We got to be live early here. I got to wake up early. I had a little, well, never mind. But it's going to be a very interesting day, guys. We had rollover. Or kind of the start of rollover. Rollover is really next Friday, but it starts to transition on the charts about a week earlier. It gets a little funky. They kind of mess with me on this because this rollover date that TradingView had was actually different. It was not this day. So we were talking about this as like last Thursday because that's what it was showing on rollover on TradingView. Now, again, logically speaking, yes, I should have known to be like, oh, yeah, like rollover is like a week before the expiration, which is not this week. But again, you're going to see these little gaps in the charts. You're going to see some volume starting to switch between, I think it's ESM now is the new contract that everybody's going to be trading. But welcome in, everybody. It is that time of day. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. It is Friday. Say your good mornings over here. We got a little bit of a smaller crowd early. That is okay. People will filter in later. Again, say good morning to somebody in the live chat. Say good morning to me if you would like to. We got Daily Taylor, Rogue, Jay, Wreck-It Ralph. What's up, everybody? How we doing? So right now, we have 4 minutes to go until non-farm payrolls, which is going to cause some really, really, really crazy candles in the market. So that's why we're live early. We're going to see what this data is going to look like, and we're going to go from there. We've got TLT up in the pre-market. We've got IBM down. We have Kava making a nice move in the pre-market here, which looks really nice. Here's kind of the deal with Kava, everybody. I wish I traded the shares on it. I wish I just traded shares. The risk to reward on shares was way better than it was on options. So even on my second trade on it, like if you were to look at this, you were to take this maybe midday here at some point, as it was coming back down. Let's be really mean to it. And let's say you bought the close. Let's say you just bought the close here. And then you kind of come down here. You have your risk right here. What is your risk to reward at where it's currently trading? 1 to 2.6. That's great. You'd still be up about 2% on your account. But those contracts, if you were sizing for 0 on them, didn't go up 200%. So I wish I had just traded the shares on it on the second round of the Kavas versus the options there. Because, again, I had nailed this from here. I bought it this day. We had a nice gap up. We got a nice push. I ended up scaling out, remember, these contracts that were weeklies for about 250%. So the weeklies actually moved really well on the nice flash to the upside. But the next week contracts that I had didn't. So I scaled out of most of them yesterday. I do have a little bit left to just kind of ride this thing out with NFP. I got a couple of other positions as well, and then I hedged with a little baby spy put position to just in case the market wants to die. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. Get ready for those boom boom candles. Be safe. Revisions should be interesting. Yes, they should. And again, team, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Did you guys get notifications for this stream or something? I mean, it feels like we got a real small crowd in here this morning with NFP. NFP is a big day, ladies and gentlemen. Also, I would like to ask the question: how's the stream? Is the stream all right this morning? We good? I think we're okay. I think we're good. I think with Restream, we're going to be all right. So must be an OBS issue there. But we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes until NFP, ladies and gentlemen. It is going to be nuts. Stream is golden. I love that. I love that. There we go. Stream looks good so far. Well, I'm using Restream now instead of OBS, what we were using. Also, stream is clear. Nice. Yeah, IBM's coming down a little bit here. I still have it. It's free. For me, why sell it? I've already made it free. I've had 2 IBM trades. I scaled out. Remember, I had the weeklies that I made like 60% on. Then I rolled them to next week's, caught this whole move up. And then just made like 150, 160% on those, made those free. Now I'm just in here chilling. We are good and got a push notification. There we go, said. Oh, what did you guys think of the video last night? Did you guys learn something? I know, that was like 15 minutes of just like jam in that video. I finished recording that video and I was like, oh, we did something here. Oh, we did something here. After I had gone through that one, I was like, woo, I'm back. I'm back. What do you think of the futures gap up? It's not a gap up. It's rollover. So you see that every quarter. Great video. Thank you, Daily Taylor. Yeah, again, I want you guys learning. as big as NFP is, if the dollar can't find some support soon, market is still looking up. I would agree with you on that. Yields are looking all right in the pre-market. Man, they kind of flashed around. All right, here we go. Here's NFP. Here's NFP. Here we go. Oh, are they gonna cuck it? Are they gonna cuck it? Hot NFP? Hold on, it's still holding right now. Non-farm payrolls. I don't know. I mean, it's 275,000 versus 353,000 previous. The estimate was 200K. So it's way lower than last time, but they were kind of doing the opposite of sandbagging the estimate. So it's right now it's just cucking in the first couple minutes here. Oh, this is interesting. This is it. Kava's ripping. Oh my God. All right, what else do we have? Yeah, I see it again. They tweeted it out twice. 275 versus 353 previous, estimated 200K. That's a bit. I mean, that's way lower than the previous one. But why is the expectation so low? Like, why is the expectation so low on NFP? I don't understand that. Why is it so low? That's so strange. All right, guys, again, make sure you guys are slapping that like button on the way in as people are filtered in here. I don't think people realize that we were going live early this morning. You guys get to see me for longer today. Thos, good morning, man. Yeah, it's hot, but I mean, the market's reacting positively because it was so much lower than last time. What is that expectation on there? That's ridiculous. It's almost like they were trying to take the market. And the market now is just like, yeah, way lower than last time. We're good on that. So here we go. U.S. unemployment rate was higher. Okay, this is interesting. This is probably what the market's reacting on here. U.S. unemployment rate actual was 3.9% versus 3.7% previous, estimated 3.7. So the unemployment rate is higher. Our average hourly earnings. Wow, interesting. So average hourly earnings was lower than expected. So yeah, I can see why the market's pumping on this now. It's not that. It is kind of crazy here. Where's SPY? I want to see where we are in relation to everything else with SPY. Yeah, you blew through the highs. Let's see. We'll get ES back on here because it's going to look wonky on ES because you have the gap from rollover. But yeah, so if more people are unemployed, that is going to lead to Powell and the Fed having a greater ability to cut rates a little bit sooner. Dixie coming down. Is the dollar tanking? Kava looking great. Uber looking good. DraftKings looking decent. IBM not really moving back up. How's TLT reacting? TLT getting a little bit of a positive reaction here. That's interesting. But unemployment isn't correct. Well, in what sense? In what sense, those? Because you're kind of correct, but not really. You know? That's kind of a dud, though, for NFP. Like, when you think about it, that's kind of a dud. What is SPY up right now? That's 0.2%. I mean, that's kind of a dud when you think about it. Like, that is really kind of gucking there. Like, it's not really doing much. Kava looks amazing. Uber coming back down. DraftKings looks good. Let's see if this can hold. I don't know. Maybe we'll leave up SPY for a little bit as we kind of start to, we get this new ES chart kind of populating in here because this is going to look wonky for us. I think they just kind of cucked it. Sorry for the language there, but it's a dud. Right now, it looks like a dud. You're not getting that crazy pop or drop that NFP usually brings. Look at the revisions. Where? I haven't seen those pop through. Oh, U.S. January payrolls revised up. Revised. Yeah, but what were they? January. So U.S. January payrolls were revised to 229K. December revised to 290. So coming down. So what was it? 290, 229. What was this one? 275. So it popped back up. But then the unemployment rate is up. Yeah, see, this is mixed. This is all mixed data here. Interesting. Oh, wait, it was 353 revised down to 229. How did they get it that wrong? Hold on. This data is all messed up today. This data is all messed up today. Whoa. All right, everybody. Again, something's going on with YouTube this morning again, team. I don't know what's going on here, but if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button here, I don't know what's going on. We got a shockingly low number amount of you guys in here with like a crazy day coming ahead. Kava looking great. Anybody that has shares or options on Kava are looking good this morning. They changed the beginning of the calculations in January. The calculations, yeah, they did, but that's just all right. Nikki Leaks. Here we go. Private sector hiring for January was revised down to 177,000 jobs versus the initially reported 317,000. Private sector hiring rose 226,000 in February. The 3-month average is 205. The unemployment rate ticked up to 3.9% in February from 3.7% in January. I mean, in Kava looking really good. But in general, I mean, I think that would cause markets to come up. I think even though the data is a little bit mixed, it is leaning towards the side of the labor market, kind of saying, all right, I mean, unemployment's ticking up. They're not maybe adding as many jobs as they thought they were. And it could give Powell and the Fed a little bit more of a boost in a reasoning to cut rates a little bit sooner. But not like it's almost just adding confidence that they're going to be cutting rates in June, if that makes sense. TLT's not liking it. Yeah, TLT's coming down now. Dude, Kava's up a lot this morning. Whoa. What happened to Kava here? And then what else? I want to look at the dollar. 102.60. I mean, I'm guessing this flashed and then came back up. Yeah. I don't know what they're going to do with this today. I mean, SPY is hanging right around all-time highs right now. Right here. 515.89. You clear this zone, I mean, you might have some fun up to the upside here. This is not a good print as I dig into it deeper. I think the market's reacting to headline unemployment. Because you're right. The actual like payroll numbers aren't Feds. See, here we go. Fed swaps price in additional Fed easing on 2024 on jobs data. But TLT's not reflecting that. That's why I'm saying this is mixed. Because you're not really seeing the clear-cut crazy reaction in either direction here. I mean, SPY is up, but it's not going crazy. You're seeing some things move, like DraftKings coming up, Uber flatline. Kava might be the real winner here. What the? Oh, is that actually IBM? It's just on the 15? Yeah, it might be. Yeah. Interesting, guys. All right. Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I know we're live a little bit early this morning. So I'm going to give you, if you guys want to extend, we've done a lot of extended streams this week. We're bringing back the like threshold for today. I got a lot of stuff I got to do. If you guys want to extend the stream here, you got the 150 like threshold, and we'll also do ankles. So get on it, team. You got 130 more to go. As more people come in, they'll figure it out. Early. It is early. What's up, team? I want to see things get a boost here, but I don't know what they're going to do. Where's like AMD, NVIDIA? I know NVIDIA was having fun. AMD's up a little bit here. That's nice. NVIDIA was ripping in the after. Whoa. $22 here, guys. Wow. 2.42%. Damn, this was a nasty trade on NVIDIA. This is probably right around when we nailed AMD. It was probably right around that time where we were hitting AMD. Caught you by surprise? Yeah, I think it caught a lot of people by surprise. Government spending, although high, is not on the same trajectory as it had been. Immigrants finally high. I'm not understanding that one, Ralph. Let's see. Yeah, it's just kind of chopping around. I don't know. We'll see. We got to wait and see what happens coming into open. I mean, we got what? 50 minutes until the market opens here. We will see what we get, man. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video last night. That one was a really, really, really good one. All right. Traders still see June start to Fed rate cuts after jobs report with about a 30% chance of a start in May. Yeah, it's just mixed. Like you're not all the data's kind of all over the place. Like that's kind of, here's the other thing though, Ralph, you know how they changed the calculations? When they change the calculations like this, the first couple might be a little bit wonky because they changed the calculation. Like they might, you might see a lot of mixed data as people start. Oh, there's my Mio. I was using my empty one. Sorry. I have too much crap on my desk. I like DraftKings. I like how Uber looks. Kava, real big winner this week. I still have some contracts on that one. I'd like to see where they end up. I'll probably just hold these. They're free. See what happens with them. But that one's looking really good. Those will probably be up well over 100% in the pre-market here, or at market open, if it can hold up here. And then I still have the free IBMs. I know a lot of you guys were asking me about that one. Yeah, I still have those. Why wouldn't I? I mean, they're free. There's nothing really else to do with that. Yeah, remember how ADP changed their calculations last year and they were all over the place for 3 to 4 months? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So that might be what we're seeing with NFP, which is, it's just strange. Like, because you got to think about, like, why are they changing the way that they calculate stuff? It's like, well, it's probably to make the data look better. You know? How's my fun crypto account doing right now? It's up like 8.7% total. It's literally one position that's driving it right now. And then I had, like, if crypto runs again, I have limit orders set to, like, buy some stuff at key levels, but I don't know, whatever. That account is literally just me screwing around. Oh, here's another thing. I had I got a nice message from one of you guys this morning that was asking about like confidence in holding your swings for longer. And I think it's a couple of things. One, and I think this is something we got to talk about here too, because so many of you guys are so used to trying to scalp for pennies and just be like, oh, I want to make this money quick and then be done. When you're swinging, especially if you're trading shares, once you're in the trade, you enter and you have your stop and you have your take profits, just like, you're going to get an alert on your phone when something happens. Just get away from the charts, guys. You've done all of the work. All of the work is done. You've identified the setup, you've gotten your entry, you've set your stops, your take profits, and you're good to go. Get away from the charts. Don't stare at them. It's going to cause you to do some silly things. The reason why you see me sometimes cut things quick on options is because I'm playing them sometimes aggressively. But most of the time I'm not. Like, if I'm trading shares, guys, it's like, I don't care. I just set I have my order, it's in. I've set my stops. I have my take profits, and then I just don't look at it. The dollar keeps diving. Yeah, that's going to cause some things to run up here. I'd love Uber to get above like 80 today. I'd love DraftKings to get above like 43 and start running. I'd love to see IBM go on a nice run to 200 if the market wants to go. I mean, TLT, positive reaction now. So that's people pricing in either more rate cuts or a higher confidence that rate cuts start in June. That's kind of what we're looking at here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. I'm happy the stream is good this morning, though. I'm very happy about that. It's good. We'll use Restream for a while. If they screw up, I'll get a whole new computer set up and we'll be fine. But for now, we're using this. I don't know, man. Kava might be the trade of the. If I had held the weeklies on it, I mean, you know, they would have been nasty. But I couldn't have. Like, my first target on Kava when I was buying it down here was 60. Break 60, I was out at 250%. Then I re-entered with stops below here, like kind of midpoint here, like 58 something, like 58, 59, and then on some next week contracts, and those went up nicely. It was honestly, it was just a nice base hit. Like, that's kind of how I just would go over the Kava right now. Like, yeah, it still made money. The weeklies did really well. The next week still did all right, rolling over that position. I don't know. I just kind of wish I traded shares on it, because now I'd have Kava shares for free. It's all right, though. It's all right. IBM wasn't all that slow. No, IBM wasn't all that slow. It was the slower movers that get you. CLSK. You nailed CLSK. That one was disgusting, but left some money on the table with GM and IBM. Yeah, GM was kind of a straight shares trade. IBM wasn't. IBM was great on the options. Like, I think you guys saw me at one point with the weeklies being up over 200%. On the chop, I mean, I ended up selling them and rolling them at about 60%. And then the next week expirations ended up going up like 160%. Hit my targets. This right here, 196.89. And I was scaling out there, making them free again. So it's kind of been the week of rolling. That's kind of been what it is. Let's talk about stop, Ralph. Stop. We were talking about DraftKings yesterday, and I like every single time I type in DraftKings, I miss the K and I type O. So I have to be very careful, like what like if I tweet it, or I have to like make sure I'm typing it. Good morning, all. What's up, Matty T? How you doing, buddy? I mean, your guys' like ratio right now is epic. You got 150 likes that you guys need to get in order to get ankles and extend the stream today. So let's see if you guys can get it. Let's see if you guys can get it. All right, here comes the Essence spy a little. This is nice on Uber. Check. Uber. DraftKings, that's what I want to see. Kava looking great. All right, we'll see. We'll see. Dude, I've got a weekend and a half ahead. Oh my God. Also, all right, I want to talk about a little something with you guys right now, since we have a smaller group and you guys are kind of all the OGs. I mean, I was thinking about this the other day, just kind of like where we've been and where we've gotten to over the last, let's say, 3 years that we've been doing this. And this is really from like my perspective as like trading, content creation, everything. If I look back at like what I wanted to do in this time frame, like if you told me like 3 years ago we'd be where we are today doing what we're doing, I'd be like, you're insane. Like, and just even like the trickle over into like my personal life and what I'm able to do, it's ridiculous, guys. Like, and I want that for all of you guys, which is all of you young guys in here too, which I know there's a lot of you. Keep going, man, because it's freaking worth it. Like, I get to do things that like nobody else can really do. Like, you get seats at the table at stuff, like you get opportunities to do things just because of like the places that you're able to go, the people that you're able to interact with. It's pretty ridiculous. And that's what I want for all of you guys too. So keep going, man. Like, I could go through details on like what, like sometimes things happen and I just get shocked. I'm like, all right, man, here we go. Like, it's just fun. So like, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying here, but shout out to you guys. I mean, this is it's awesome. I love doing this with you. Why so early today? Non-farm payrolls, man. We got NFP. NFP, you guys are slacking. Look at this. We got some crazy candles with NFP. I don't know, man. It's just cool. It's just cool being able to help you guys and like and be like, again, sharing all the stuff with you and then continuing to grow myself. Like, it's fun. It's cool. Thoughts on Rivian? I mean, it had a nice pop yesterday, I believe, but if you can consolidate above here, I'd be down. Give it a week. Consider traveling for a few months and still stream, get the tax benefits and miss the travel. Yeah, I mean, nah, I can't. I'm a little bit. I can't do it, man. Like, because I would just work and be like, we've all come so far. That's very true. That's very true. IBM taking a hit. Hope it gets its stuff together and gets moving. It might. I mean, they're free for everybody, aren't they? At this point, I mean, everybody had hit the targets. You can't lose on it now. Like, we were in IBM right around 190. That's about where I identified this one. The weeklies went up like crazy. I was hoping that the weeklies were gonna go and get us up to here, but they didn't. So I rolled to next week's, was able to nail these. Now those are free as well. Those are nice. We got the Kava over here looking really good. I mean, it's been a good week, guys, with this. Even though there hasn't been one that's gone like absolutely ridiculous for us. I mean, a lot of them have been hitting good. A lot of them have been hitting really, really, really well. So, oh, Tor, yeah. I don't know if you saw my message yet, buddy. Yeah, okay. Hold on. Oh, man. The Kava looks amazing right now. Yeah, it does. No, we nailed it, man. I mean, I'm happy. I still have some exposure to it to the upside. I just wish I traded the down shares, man. Watch, today's gonna be the day that the contracts go a little nuts, which is fine. I mean, maybe I'll sell some today. We'll see. DraftKings back to 43. That's nice. Uber, check Uber looking good. Where's Lyft? Because if Lyft gets a pop, it might help Uber. If Lyft can clear this 1860 area and start to get up to this 19th, you could have some fun on that. I mean, I know you guys nailed the Lyft. Let's see here. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. We're 10 minutes until the time that we usually stream. So, I don't know. We got slackers this morning. People didn't want to show up for NFP. The two new Rivians look like the Ford Bronco and the little one. Yeah, I haven't even taken a look at them yet. Dude, Kava's a rip. Kava's on a ripper, man. That's nice. You're hesitant with shares because the settle period is a few days. That's fine. I mean, it's all right. You buy them, you sell them. You got 2 days left to use the cash. Like, again, remember, with the swings, we're not trading all the time. We're not like, it's not like we're doing it every single day. You can't. I mean, there's sometimes opportunity all the time, but not every single day you're going to have swing setups that fire off. So, let's see. Those, no, I don't know. We're not doing that. No. Let's see. Amazon. We can take a look at Amazon. It doesn't look bad. It's just not great. You know, it's not great. But I've got a lot of nasty strategies coming in for you guys with the Mastermind. And again, it is it's what do you call it? It's your guys' last chance to hop into the Mastermind. I mean, it's pinned to the top of the live chat, but here's the QR code. We got the QR codes back, guys, if you want them. I set those up this morning on Restream. So if you guys want the QR codes here, there you guys go. Last chance to hop into the Mastermind. We start on Tuesday. I'll probably announce. I got a little Mastermind announcement a little bit later today for those of you guys on the sidelines, but we're gonna wait till we got some more people in here to do that. But QR code popped in. It's pinned to the top of the live chat. You guys know where to go. Yeah, DraftKings looking good over here. Uber looking okay. Kava looking phenomenal. ES looking good. I mean, I don't even know if I really want to look at ES today. I kind of want to just look at SPY. Scan that thing, people. Thank you, Tor. Appreciate it, buddy. Yeah, you guys are going to be set up real good hopping into the Mastermind. Let's see what we got here. Anything on? Oh, did you guys watch State of the Union last night? You guys watch State of the Union? I did for a little while. My brain kind of bled a little. Honestly, though, I mean, I think here's kind of my thought process on everything that's going on right now, and it kind of hit me yesterday. It kind of did. And I was like, you know what? You got to kind of try and, even though like most of us can look at situations and say, that's really stupid. Some people can't, and most people can't. I think, and I said this the other day, I think my theory, well, I didn't say this to you guys. I said this in a group chat. I was like, I think my theory of like everybody is stupid could win a Nobel Prize. But I think you can get a really good insight into how other people think by taking the other side of the position. Like, especially with, and I think this is interesting, and we all got to realize this, that like, I genuinely think that the president fully believes that if they don't do what they're doing in the U word country, that the R word country is going to try and go everywhere else. I think they fully believe that, which is why they're trying to do what they do. So that's really the key premise here. It's not, oh, should we be doing it or not? It's like, do they actually believe that if they don't, XYZ happens? After watching that, I genuinely think that they do. So now, even though that I don't think that's the case, I can see where they're coming from. But I can still sit here and say that that's dumb. Does that make sense? I don't know. There was a lot of things in there. I think I said this to Ralph. I was just like, take everything. I was like, they probably just said, take all of the things. What you're talking about is the mindset of a debater, argue both sides equally. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty good at doing that, but like, I don't know. Ralph, that message I said to you where it was just like, it's almost like they just said, take every single issue that people know is nonsense and then just feed into it. And I was like, why do that? Because as a candidate, wouldn't you want to just start talking about like the uncontroversial truths and be like, this is what we want? And he did a little bit. Like, I'll give him credit. He did. But even when he was doing that, it was almost like backhanded stuff. It just didn't make sense. It was like awkward to watch. Because here's the issue that's going to happen. Ready? Here's the prediction. I'm pretty good at these political predictions, like you saw me doing with Super Tuesday. What's going to happen is that all of these young people are going to, you can feel it, how some people are also, I almost don't want to, it's going to be very interesting for markets, because if you have a bunch of young people that start to get into office that couldn't necessarily get into office prior to the 2016 era. I'm trying to avoid the hot word so YouTube doesn't screw with us anymore that they're doing. Like and you'll have it on both sides. Like you just have more like people with like further apart opinions. And when that happens, if you have every 4 years, the whole entire United States government just switches in terms of like what their foreign policy is going to be, what their domestic policy is going to be. Like, it's going to be weird. But you can almost see the switch between the 2020 and now. And this is a key thing that I think you guys got to realize about. You got to watch social media sometimes and say, how do people react to certain types of statements now versus how they reacted to certain types of statements in the past. Twitter back in 2020, if you said anything, let's just say on the right side of the spectrum, all these people were coming in and basically piling onto you, saying that you're bad, you're all this, not nonsense, all that stuff. What I'm seeing right now is it's exactly the opposite. I mean, again, I'm trying to sit here and stay neutral with you guys. I mean, we can talk about my opinions at some point, but they're irrelevant. Who cares? Like, what do I think? What I think does not matter. But it's interesting to see the switch. It's very interesting to see these types of reactions from people switch. They don't believe in that. They want you to, though. Lots of profit and war. I agree with you. I think there's a lot of different factors here that definitely need to be accounted for. It's just, I don't know. He did fine. I think he did do fine. I said, if anybody for my birthday, all right, there's one thing that I want for my birthday. And if any of you guys can make it happen, it'd be great. Just for one day, I would like to feel what it's like to be on whatever drug cocktail that dude was on last night. Just one day. Do you know how much I would be able to accomplish in a day? Do you guys understand how insanely like productive we would be? Thoughts on Rue? Let me take a look. Yeah, any other tickers that you guys want to take a look at, let me know. Actually, I don't hate this. This I don't hate. What is this, though? Finance. Honestly, I don't hate it. What's this level here? I almost would take a shares trade on this. You break these levels up in here, this like 45.69, 46.38, something like that, little break to the upside with a shares trade, trying to target something in the 60s. I don't hate that, honestly. Really, really positive reaction on earnings. It has done nothing but go up. It started consolidating a little. I don't hate that. I mean, that's a I mean, that's a giant move, so maybe I wouldn't do this. It went from 8 to 40. It went from 8 to 40. That's a bit aggressive for me to want to touch that. I don't know. We can keep it on the radar, though. IBM flat in the pre-market here. Check Uber looking good. DraftKings looking all right. ES looking pretty good. Kava looking phenomenal. I mean, APP. You want to take a look at that? Yeah. That was on the list, I believe. Or I just sent that somewhere. Yeah, APP's okay. It's okay. It's not this slow, choppy grind up. It's not, I don't like that. I want it to flatline. or converge. Like, you know, like I want it to either flatline or converge. Those are the two things. We're going to talk a lot about that convergence in the mastermind with you guys too. Justin, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Welcome back. Yeah, guys, again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. We are live a little bit earlier than we normally are. We went through NFP. You guys have that 150 like threshold today. If you guys can hit that, we'll extend the stream and you get ankles. Morning, SCV. What's up, Christopher? What's up, everybody? How are we doing? From a foreign person perspective, even if Biden's not the one you like, in general terms, watching yesterday all in Congress, I think the USA is doing acceptable overall. After, I guess. Coin, Hood, and DraftKings. Hood's looking nice. Dude, I like Hood. Dude, I might try and spend some time going through this company this weekend, but I kind of like it. From what I've seen so far on this thing, I do like this. DraftKings I like. What was the other one? Coin's a little bit extendoed. See, Coin's a little extendoed. Our trade on Coin was disgusting. Our trade on Coin last Monday was nasty. 500% in a day on a swing. I was in and out of that thing in a day. It was crazy. Check. Uber looking good. I mean, let's see what we get today, team. Good morning, team. What up, Michael? How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Keep smacking that like on the way in. It is 9:01 a.m. We've got 29 minutes to go until market open. I hope you guys are ready for another fun day here. TLT not really reacting anymore. Interesting. All effort of the United States citizens. Eddie, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to disagree with you on that whole kind of statement you've got there. Just from being here, obviously. I don't think so. You see things here that I've never seen before. Again, from the outside perspective looking in, I can see why that might be the case. But it's not. It's just not. Like, I've never really felt a time where I want to leave. Why is there such a difference between brokerages when it comes to after hours price point? For instance, IBM on Webull versus TradingView. What's it on? Yeah, I've seen that. The data feeds are slightly different. I mean, they sync back up when the market opens, but what's IBM on Webull in the pre-market? I'd love to see what that's like. Yeah, it's green. Okay, I mean, we'll see what happens at open. I'm not really like... To me, I don't really care. I don't know. I mean, you guys, I don't know why you're a little worried about this one. I mean, I think you said you made it free too. Like, it's okay. Like, you've already locked in game. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I mean, we're here to make sure that we can capitalize on the trades that are like really going to fire off. That's what we're looking for. The DraftKings look good though. Kava looking phenomenal, man. I mean, this was just sick entry on this day. Just boom, right back up. CVNA, I like that one actually. We haven't taken a look at that. I want to actually have that on the radar today. I think I have an alert on it. Gapped. Damn it. It gapped. Shoot. Yeah, it did gap. Darn, I wanted that. Let's see. Nah, I mean, I wouldn't have taken that on the gap. Yeah, I mean, I wanted it. It is on my radar. I just wanted to... I have an alert on it. Like, I'm pretty sure I put an alert on that last night, and not gonna get it. It's fine. Not just curious why that happens. Oh yeah, Boric. It's just the data feeds in the pre-market. Like, so think about it. Like, when the market opens, all the data feeds are gonna be on like New York Stock Exchange or whatever, ARCA, whatever it is. But in the pre-market, if those exchanges aren't necessarily giving data and they're getting data feeds from different spots, they're not gonna see all the trades yet. So you can see different prices in the pre-market. Net looking interesting. I am interested in that one too. Yeah, I think... Did we talk about this? Have we talked about this yet? We may not have. This is going to be one of the ones on Swing Kings this weekend. ARM is another... I don't know. This thing, I mean, you got a trend line here. If it breaks, you could get up to, what, 163. Let's see. AL on the daily. We can take a look at that for you, man. Welcome to everybody filtering in this morning. Nah, this one's not. This one's not really qualifying for anything that I would want to do. Air lease? Yeah, not for me. Not for me there. We talked about net Monday. Yeah. I like... Oh, I think I sent you net. Yeah, I think I was like, net looks good. Yeah, I think that's what we're looking at. All right, check Uber. Guys, I'm so happy that the streams are working today. I hope I didn't speak too soon, but we're looking good. We are looking good. I apologize for all the nonsense this week that we had with the streams. We made it where Kava just flashed back down. Kava, what are you doing? What are you doing? You had so much potential here. Tap on the weekly? Let's take a look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video last night too. That one was pretty sick. That actually looks pretty good. Molson Coors Beverage Company. Is this like Coors Light? Their commercials used to be so cool. And then when like, you know how like sometimes like you'll get to have like a sip of beer as a kid and you're like, and then you taste it and you're like, this is the most disgusting thing of all time. Every single time that I would see a Coors commercial, I'd be like, like it's so bad. That came up on the scanner. Nice. Trade some beer. You guys know I'm not a beer guy. I'm a tequila degen. I'm gonna be drinking some tequila this weekend. It's gonna be good, man. I think we're doing an all unlimited drink thing at some point. I don't know. It's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough. I'm gonna try and write your newsletter and get the swing list for you guys today, so I don't have to do it this weekend. I got so much other work I gotta do too. We got a lot of things. So again, if you guys want to extend the stream today until 11, you got about 100 more likes here. Wow, we're 3 away from 50 already. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Check. Uber looking good. Kava, I mean, still looking good in the pre-market here. We got to see where it wants to go. ERJ on the daily. Is that an ETF? I'm going to think that's an ETF. Oh, it's not. Interesting. Daily looks really good. Daily looks really good. If you could see the EMA catch up, I mean, that would be even better. Honestly, man, that's kind of far away. There goes Kava back up a little. Check. Uber! SCV plus unlimited anything equals business losing money. Yeah, dude. You give me unlimited bar, you're screwed. You give me unlimited food, you're screwed. Like, they're not going to win. They just won't. God, so like that's my favorite thing in the world is all you can eat or drink stuff. I mean, that's a really like degen thing to say. Let's just in terms of like going out places. Technically, though, when I go to the club and spend a bunch of money on bottles, it is all you can drink. Facebook paid yesterday. Yeah, it did. It didn't get the move that I wanted. It would have stopped me out on the actual trade that I had set up. So I'm happy I cut that early. SV been a wild ride the past 3 years. You and Gabe have done so much to help the trading community. I'm so grateful to have been a part of it. I've now become more profitable than ever. Can't wait for the Mastermind. Boric, thank you, buddy. Yeah, dude, Gabe stuff with Titan, man, I know is awesome for you guys. Like you guys have like sent me some of the games that you guys have had over there. It's awesome, man. Shout out to you guys. I mean, that thing's nasty. What I'm teaching you guys with the swings and the day trading mastery course strategy that I've got is nasty. Like, yeah, man. That was our goal the whole time, was to help you guys make money. That's literally what it is. SV, have you ever done a cruise? I've never done a cruise. Titan Rock, still use it every day. There you go, man. Yeah, Titan's sick. Kava looking good. Check Uber coming down. I'd love to see DraftKings get up to like 43.50 today. That'd be fun. What do we got? Couple minutes to go. 21 minutes to go until the ding ding. All right. Let's get after it here today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a good Friday. Nah, I've never done a cruise though. I kind of want to do one. Here's what I might do though. And you both succeeded. Thank you, man. Yeah. Here's what I might do. So when my lease at this apartment is up and I want to move to like Florida or something, Mastermind is 12 a.m. midnight your time on Tuesday. It's Tuesdays and Wednesdays, but don't worry, you are going to have access to all of the recordings. You can watch them anytime you want. Anytime you want, you can watch the recordings of the Mastermind classes. Doc, you had great earnings. Maybe on the watch list soon. Yep. Yeah, if it had great earnings, yeah, it will be. Especially if it popped through that zone that I tried to trade out of, and then I don't like this. I mean, you had this consolidation here, it dropped, you pop back up, had this consolidation. This one had the potential to be so nasty on this break right here that I ended up getting stopped out on. And it just didn't. So honestly, I kind of want to trade Docu above this zone because this is look at this. This is a very, very heavy level of resistance here. So maybe if we get a nice, like, I mean, if we kind of come down into here and consolidate within here and then pop up into the zone, I mean, we could have some targets within the zone, and then after we make them free, get those freebies to maybe get through this zone here. That I would not hate. But yeah, for those of you guys that don't want to be hopping into the mastermind next week, that's all right. I mean, you're gonna miss out on a whole lot. And in a little bit, I'm gonna do a little bit of an announcement on what we're gonna do with the mastermind after Tuesday, when all of you guys are in and we start the live sessions. But again, my courses are all my education is 50% off. The day trading mastery course strategy that's had 14 now is working on its 15th winning month in a row, which is disgusting. And then the Swing Kings course, which you guys have been absolutely going bananas with. So, I mean, I'll throw the QR code on the screen right here if you guys want to use the QR code. If not, it's in the description. So you guys have all weekend to do it. There's the buy now, pay later option where you guys can pay over time, so that if the mastermind or the courses are too big of an upfront cost for you, I mean, they're really inexpensive as they are, but you can pay over time if you want to. And then I'm always around to answer questions. You can ask anybody that is taking the courses here. I'm always answering your guys' questions. So I'll leave that up for a minute there. Well, let's get after it today, ladies and gentlemen. DraftKings coming down. Where's ES? Coming up. Check Uber looking all right. Kava looking pretty good. Tuesdays will be tough for me, so glad we'll be able to watch on demand. Yeah. You guys will be good. What I'm probably going to do is, so the way that we actually do it, that's 100% true. Thank you, Toast. Appreciate that. What we're going to do is I have to do a little bit of like maneuvering to actually be able to get these live streams to be live within the course. But in the title of the course, you guys are going to have the unlisted YouTube link, so that if for some reason it doesn't work, you guys still have the link to come over in on YouTube. And I'm also going to be emailing you guys the link to the mastermind as well. So either way, it's going to end up in the course. But for day one, there might be, I don't think there's going to be any technical difficulties. And I've thought through all of the different kind of decision tree scenarios of what could happen. But I mean, it's all, you guys are all going to have it. SPY consolidation pre-market is very interesting. Might take a big swing at it. You might see the actual reaction at market open. Like it's trying to pop here and it's not getting it. Let's see, where's IBM? Did IBM ever pop back up here? Yeah, now IBM's up about 96 cents here on TradingView, which is nice. You guys are cranking the like button too. I love it. And then, yeah, anybody in here that wants to let anybody else know what their experience has been like with the educational courses there, let them know. I mean, I think some people are on the fence. They're like, I don't know if this is going to help me. I mean, I can tell you right now, it absolutely will. So if you guys are interested, awesome. If not, hopefully what you're doing is working for you. Let's see. Oh, let's take the QR code off. Sorry. There you go. QR code off. I always forget when the QR codes are on the screen. Then we leave them up there and people are like, get it off. Oops. Bond market looks wonky this morning. Yeah, TLT is like not reacting to that. Like that's kind of snitching. It's a little weird to me. I mean, you're kind of consolidating on top of the zone. Same thing with SPY, I bet. You're just kind of using this zone that we have as it'll load up in a. Come on. There we go. Yeah, you're kind of hanging out above it. That's not ES. That's Eversource Energy. I'd love DraftKings above 43. IBM, if we can get a push to 200 today, that'd be nice if the market wants to run. And then obviously, I mean, Kava over 63 could get nasty. Tor says the course has been a game changer for me, added more tools to the tool belt, and I've made major progress into profitable trading. Tor, shout out to you, buddy. I know you've been putting a lot of work into it, and it's been paying off for you. Congratulations, man. That is awesome. That is absolutely awesome, man. Shout out to you, buddy. And then, yeah, I'll send you that info when I can get it about the other thing that we were talking about. There goes ES slipping. Slip, slip. 15 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. $15 minutes to go. Thank you, sir. No problem. Yes, getting a little slippery. Let's see what we got. Before I found SCV, I blew a 4K account. Since joining the courses, your paper account is up 102%. Once I go live again, it's going to be great. Definitely appreciate all you do for us, SCV. Jay, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. I mean, that's my goal, man. I mean, giving you guys these strategies and walking you guys through exactly how to do this, so that you guys can have the success in the market that you want. I'm really proud of all of you guys that have hopped into the courses, that have been putting the effort in and sending me questions and stuff. And I mean, I see your gains a couple of days and weeks later, and I'm like, you guys are paying attention. I love it. All right. 14 minutes to go. Let's see. Hey, there's not much really to look at here. We got IBM flickering around. I don't know. I mean, dude, the AMD is like technically my long-term hit a crazy number. Not a crazy number, but like a milestone number. And I was like, but it's not, because technically, remember, I sold the covered calls on AMD. So those are down, but like, it doesn't matter. I still have, like, it's showing it as like I'm down on that position, but like, I'm not, like, who cares? Like, so it's offsetting some of the gains. So we'll see what happens with that. We'll see what happens with that. We'll see what happens with ES today. Again, if you guys want to extend the stream till 11, 150 likes. That's the cost. That is the cost. And you also get ankles. It's a buy one, get one free on the like button. Same thing with the courses. We got a lot of BOGOs around here. All my friends did me in the cold, put them in the tundra. Did you get a decent credit with the cover calls? Yeah, they weren't bad. They weren't bad. How generous. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't bad. It wasn't as much as I thought it was going to be, because when I was telling you guys that initial calculation, I was looking at the 2026 chain when I thought I was looking at the 2025 chain. So it wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be, but still very good. Howie, good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'm excited for today. Kava, probably one of the best trades of the week. IBM, I mean, hit our targets. We're looking good. We got potentially Uber and DraftKings looking really good here too. ES kind of losing it coming into market open off of non-farm payrolls, where we had higher unemployment. The actual payroll numbers were a little bit wonky. So we'll have to see how the market wants to digest that today. Thoughts on team? All right. When I was looking at team, I did a write-up on this for you guys, didn't I? Like, I talked about this, and now looking at it, I don't even know what I saw. Like, this was something I think I said, keep it on your radar for it to pop consolidate. Because where is this? Hold on, Thursday. Yeah. So I think it was right here. So what I was saying on it was, yeah, it doesn't look great, but if this continues, pops up, consolidates, I'd be interested in trading it, but it came down. So this one's not really on the radar. I think I outlined that for you guys in the Swing Kings email too, where I was like, it's not a trade, but it's something to watch over the next few weeks if it can shift the trend. I'm 99% sure that's what I said. Family show, what's up, Skinny? How you doing, buddy? Good morning, Moon Boy. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make some more YouTube videos for you guys next week too, when some good stuff is happening in the market. I mean, I know a lot of you guys enjoyed that one from yesterday. That one was pretty freaking good. You guys are getting a little taste of like just kind of how my brain works with those videos. And again, if you have questions, just ask. Just ask. I'm always around. Oh, I cannot wait to get in with you guys in the mastermind next Tuesday, man. I am so pumped. Dude, I cannot wait. Those of you guys that have hopped in. Oh, yeah, Ulta. Yeah, Ulta. Oh, yeah. That's another one. Ulta, I tweeted that out yesterday. I was like, huh, are we going to get a round 3 on Ulta here? Are you going to get a round 3 on Ulta? Because we had our weekly break, which was right here. We played this for like 80%. This was a nasty one. Are we going to get round 3 on Ulta? Yeah, and then again, so all of you guys that are either going to grab the mastermind today, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday, right before we're about to start the mastermind, just send me a DM and I'll send you the code to get the courses for free. Because again, the if you hop into the mastermind, I also give you the courses for free. But if not, they're already 50% off right now. Kava holding, check Uber doing all right. I mean, it's up 0.5%. DraftKings looks good. Gotta bounce. Have a good day. Matty T, I hope you have an amazing day, buddy. Yeah, Ulta looks pretty good. Momo on the daily. Hello, group. Hello, world. Yeah, that actually looks good. That might be a shares one. That would probably be a shares one for me. Ulta moves strange and the spreads were horrible the first time you got into it. Yeah, it's a little wonky, but it's less wonky than some of the other ones. Like this move was pretty nice. This move was pretty clean. They were a little bit spready, but it really wasn't the end of the world. But wow, did it print for you? Yeah, Boric. Oh, damn, that's what you meant yesterday? The code was for the other classes. Yes. Yes. I almost got frustrated with someone last night. I don't know who it was. They were like, I can't. And I was like, just use the code. I was like, I gave you the code. Use it. They're like, there's nothing in the mastermind section yet. I go, I know, because I made the video on the mastermind page and put the disclaimer on it that nothing starts until Tuesday the 12th. I was like, no, it's fine though. I get it. Some things can be confusing. When spreads are wide, you scale into the position versus single buy. I usually try to steal, but that's not really something I can teach. Like, it's not, there's no like method to that madness. It's just like putting in orders near the bid and slowly stepping them up and watching how the ask moves. Because if they're watching, we can talk about that for a second, how I steal on the option chain. So if you have wide spreads or crazy things are happening with news or you want to get a fill, what I do sometimes is you can tell if it's a market maker on the other side or if it's a person, because if they're watching it. So if there's a little bit of a wide spread on an option and I put in a bid that's a little bit higher than the current bid and the ask moves, I know somebody's watching it and now we're negotiating. We're saying, hey, what are you going to give me these at? So you can play around with them. So what I'll do is I'll just slowly step it up quick. Like if I know they're there, I'll go I'll modify it, hit it, see if I can get it. I don't think that was you. No, I don't think it was you either. I'll modify it. I'll slowly step it up, see how the ask moves. If it doesn't move, I'll do it again. I'll just bait them. And then when they come down a little bit, I'll drop the bid. Because sometimes they want to get out. So if I'm there trying to help them get out of their position, well, I mean, I'm going to bait them in and be like, I'm sort of willing to pay this, but I know that they're not going to hit it. It's weird. Like, is it really a person or an algo? It depends. You can beat the algo that, like you can kind of mess around with the algo that way. It's an auction. Yeah, it's not. Well, I mean, yeah, if you're trading in a liquid thing, like I've stolen. Remember, Monday we all stole on ARM. We all stole. You notice that on TLT a lot. Yeah, you can play with them on TLT because it's just me trying to get fills. Kava looking phenomenal. Uber looking all right. This is looking okay. ES is coming down a little. Yeah, very interested to see what happens at open here, guys. Very interested. Yeah, but that's kind of how it works. Oh, you guys are cranking the like button today, too. I appreciate all you guys doing that. Let's do it, man. 150 extends the stream, and you get some ankles today. So there you guys go. Yeah, it is an auction. You accidentally did that on IBM, and you remember your fill was great on wide spreads. See? But there's not like a method to it. It's just like you just know that you're in an auction, you're negotiating. So, but you then have the bargaining power because they have to come down and hit your bid. Because if they have a sell limit, like it's not just going to get filled unless the price moves. Like this is when price is flat or like slowly moving up to counteract data. SPY is committed to open flat. Well, I don't know. I mean, I think it's still green. Oh, yeah. Well, it's up $1. It's at this zone, though. So, I mean, you could just be retesting the zone prior all-time high to continue up. I don't know, though. We'll see. Who knows? It was very mixed data on NFP. Very mixed. I was surprised. Beep. Whole Kava, dude. Look at this. Does anybody have Kavas? Because I've got a little bit left, but I mean, not a lot. I mean, it's up 2.5% in the pre-market here. That's big. Shoot the moon. What's up, buddy? How you doing? How do you have it in an orb when it hasn't even opened yet? You're in the Kavas? Who's in the Kavas? I know Ralph has what? I think you have shares on it, right? Shares was the move. I don't know. Let's see what the options open at. They're probably going to be pretty good. Yeah, you got shares. I wish I took shares on it instead of options, but you know, nailed the move. You cut it? Why'd you cut it? Oh, did you front run it too and then didn't sell on the pop? Oh, you're talking about first. Oh. Either you hit or it's really foggy out. It's not. It's this. It's just bright coming off my south. Like it's bright in the back today. The sun is like over here. No, we got work to do. We're not taking rips right now, guys. That's crazy. I got out of Kava yesterday up 81%. I mean, that's still great. That's still great. I mean, I always leave. When I make stuff free, I always leave runners. Ulta, Telly. All right, let's see. Palantir's going? I wish I had freaking more shares, bro. Ugh. I mean, it's at 27. I might just say screw it and throw like 10 grand at it, up my average to like 22 or something, and then be fine. And just call it a day and be like, whatever. Dude, Kava. What is up with Kava? It's up it's at 64 in the pre-market. What the fuck? All right, there you go. That was like, what the heck is going on there? That was a little bait and switch candle. What is going on? You had some Kavas for this week expiration that you rolled over to next week's, but still doing great. Yeah, the rollovers. The rollover was kind of the name of the game with when we saw the market getting slapped. You wish you still had the Kavas? I still got some. I want to see where it opens. Uber, I want to see this thing get over 80 today. I want to see DraftKings get a nice I want to see it get a nice clean move over 43. Oh, spot ES coming down into open here. Spaghetti-O. Here we go. Palantir's a DC every Wednesday for yourself. There you go. Good night spot. Oh, Palantir. Yeah. Oh, here we go. A minute into open and we're selling. Uh-oh. What are we at? All right. Remember, I still have that SPY put hedge. That could print if this thing wants to die. Let's see. Here we go, team. Less than a minute to go until the open. We got 30 seconds here. Again, make sure you guys are hitting that like on the way in. The stream is working good today. We should be all set to go. Let's have a great day, huh? Where's IBM? Did IBM get slapped on that? A little bit, yeah. All right. Yeah, I think we might leave up SPY a little bit here today just because of rollover to kind of get a better understanding of where we are. Maybe SPX we'll use, but probably SPY because you get that little after hours action there. Ding, ding, ding. The market is open. Here we go. Kava, ripper. My Kavas are up 216%. That's nice. They're spready, though, so I don't know what that's going to be. Kava on a ripper. On an absolute ripper here. Net. All right, I got a price alert on net that just hit. I got to look at that. All right, I'm going to leave the Kavas here. Uber not having fun. DraftKings doing all right. Kava, big winner here. Kava, big winner. All right, let's see what we got. DraftKings trying. Yeah, some stuff's glitching around here. Nah, Uber's coming back. I want to see Uber above. I want to see Uber above 80. DraftKings above 43. I want to see that. And then I want to see what Kava wants to do here. They're really spready, so they'll tighten at some point. Oh, where's net? That's the one I wanted to look. I had an alert on this. I kind of like that, man. It just needs a little more. 101.91-ish is what kind of where I want to go with it. Kava, a little drop. Check Uber is looking all right. I just want to see it above these highs here, which is 80. I want to see it above 80. DraftKings push. There we go. Those contracts aren't moving. Oh, because they're spready. Oh, you guys are being a-holes with that. Oh, they're being a-holes. That's why. All right, let's see. Here comes check Uber. Uber at 80. That's nice. DraftKings pushing. I like that. Why are they so spready, though? Give me my money. Give me money. Bro, what are you doing with the spreads here on DraftKings? Come on. That's crazy. All right. So, I mean, it is early. It's 2 minutes into the market. The Kavas are up 196%. The free IBMs are up 28%. I'm going to leave those. Probably going to leave the Kavas too because this thing's on a ripper. And then we'll see what we got. Uber, Flash. A lot of flashing going on here. Jay Sharps, what's up, buddy? Hood started scaling into shares in the pre-market. There you go. The DraftKings are incredibly spready. Incredibly spready. I don't know why. I feel like we've noticed that a lot more, that a lot of these options that haven't been typically like these chains that haven't had a lot of spreads on them at the open, they've had some really crazy spreads. Nat is not completely ready yet. Let's see what SPY wants to do. If SPY wants to push through these pre-market highs, it may go to 520 today. I mean, that would be a bit ridiculous, but we'll see. What's ES look like? Yeah, I just want to see this get some steam over 80. Get to 81 or something today. AI? Is AI doing it now? I kind of like that. Here comes check Uber. Here comes ES. Yeah, so that's kind of the move here. You're getting it. See? Watch. Ready? Come on. Boom. See? We're going to talk a lot about this in the mastermind, guys. A lot about this in the mastermind. Uber. It's just got to push above this high. 80. Wait. 80.08. 80.05. Yeah, it's got to, 80.08 on Uber. You might get a nice push up to like 81. Maybe. I don't know. It's possible. You just need the market to help it, which it looks like it wants to. You can't wait for the mastermind. There you go. CRM got a hell of a candle. What do you mean? This? You talking about? Yeah, we don't need this on here anymore. That was a quick stop out on CRM. A lot of whipping this morning. It will be more info on the current courses. Oh, yeah, dude. You guys are getting so much in the mastermind. It's going to be insane. You're on the daily? No, I'm on the daily too. All right, here comes DraftKings. Check Uber. Looks like it wants it. ES not helping anybody, but I mean, let's see if these things get a mind of their own. Here comes DraftKings, new highs. Are they gonna tighten up the spreads finally on this and give me my money or no? Yeah, they did a little. Nothing crazy though. Whoa, Kava. Whoa, Kava. Hold on. Whoa there. Whoa there, Nelly. Those are up 250% right now. Those are amazing. Wow, look at us. Yeah, Uber selling, but DraftKings pushing. That's what we need. Yeah, the DraftKings. All right, so I do have DraftKings. Those are up 18%, but they probably should be up more. I'll leave the Kavas and I'll leave the IBMs. What do I think about skin? Let's take a look. That's a nice break there, man. That's a really nice break. That's something I would probably trade with shares if I really wanted it. So yeah, Uber's kind of moving with the market here. DraftKings got a little mind of its own. It had some good news yesterday. It's March Madness. You got this. Ready? Watch. Ready? Come on. Bing. AI looking really good. AI looking really good there, ladies and gentlemen. Is anybody still in that? This does not want it. Wow, DraftKings is making a nice push here. That's nice. Oh, there's that 80.08 on Uber. There's that prior high. It just took it. Yeah, let's see if this gets some steam. Need check Uber to do a little more. That AI trade's pretty good. Is anybody? Yeah, let me know. Are you guys in the AI? I'm not. Remember, I cut that one, and I was waiting for a re-entry on it, and it probably would have been. It was right around this 30, 33 area, so you'd be up 45 cents on it. Uber getting a little push. DraftKings getting a little push. Where's IBM? In the pooper? Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, so we're looking phenomenal right now. The Kavas are now up 274%. The DraftKings I have are up at 30. The Ubers are up 17. So we'll see. We'll see what we get here. You're in AI? Eddie, what are you up percentage-wise? Unless you traded it with shares, then let it rip. But you cut AI, but AMD is looking nice. AMD actually is setting up. No, I wouldn't take that. Oh my God, it's at 216. Oh my God, guys. Dude, it's up another $5 today. Do you know how much money I'm up on AMD today? A lot. A lot of money I'm up on AMD right now today by doing nothing. More than most people's salary. That's crazy, guys. That is crazy. You're at break even. One call just 3 weeks out. All right, yeah, that's fair. Uber getting a push. I like that. DraftKings getting a real nice push there. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I like what I see. I can't do 345% on the Kavas. Boom, baby. Boom. Boom. Look at us, man. Where's Kava? Finally got a nice ripper on Kava. There we go. There we go. Tor, are you in the Kava, buddy? Again, guys, the Swing Kings. Again, all the courses are 50% off. Uber pushing. Look at us, man. Look at us. This is ridiculous. This is just... Let's go. Great stuff, everybody. Great stuff. Again, team, if you haven't already, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms here. DraftKings new highs. There we go. All right. The Kavas are flickering around. Now they're up 235, but I mean, they're free now. No Kava. No. You sold Kava way too early last week with call expiry next week. Patience is something you need to work on. Start seeing, no. You just gotta, guys. It's not. Oh, look at Uber. Oh yes. Oh yeah. It's just you got to get away from the screen. Kava new highs. I don't know what's up with these options here. They should be pumping. Now I'm up 31% on the Ubers, 25% on the DraftKings, 267% on the Kavas, only 23% on the free IBMs though. The SPY puts that I had obviously got hammered, but it doesn't matter. What are we up on the day here? Nice 1%. That's not bad. 0.5%, 1%. It's flickering around. That's perfect hedging. Like that's ideal hedging there. So we gotta see what's gonna happen. Uber pushing, DraftKings pushing, Kava. If Kava breaks 65, if Kava gets to 66 today, I'll ditch it. How about that? Can't wait to be a part of the money train with you guys. Those, yes, sir. Kava new highs. Check Uber coming down. Did we just sell on that? I don't know. We're good. We're good. $332% on the 338% on the Kavas. Oh, 337. They're going. They're going. 377 on the Kava. Damn, son. Where'd you find this? The Swing Kings watch list. Congrats, Vix. You're great. You're a beast. Thanks, man. Appreciate it, guys. I'm happy. I'm just happy you guys are all making money. Your AI should be pumping now. See, are we going to get 400% on the Kavas? That'd be epic. Yeah. So another gem. 6520 Kava. You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have. Oh, we are 20 likes away from 100 right now as well, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys coming in here every single day. Let's do it, man. Anybody not in Swing Kings right now is missing out, man. Missing out. I might lock in some gains here in a minute. I don't know. If Kava gets to 66, I'm out. DraftKings target's going to be 45-25 for me. for scale out there. Probably going to have to hold that. Check Uber obviously is going to be right around here. This one. Maybe another one right here if they go. 81. Let's see what happens with that. AI is just pumping. AI now going green. Realize you had 2 calls and one triggered the sell doing the wrong place sell order. Need to get your eyes straight. Oh, come on, Eddie. Come on, Eddie. You had that one. DKNG. Rip. Dude, like, come on now. That AI trade is dirty. Dirty. That's dirty. Look at this. Watch SPY looking at pre-market high break. Yeah, there it is right there. You just got the break on it. If we get a nice clean move ripping today, guys, this could be a real fun day. This could be a real fun day if this holds and pushes. Oh, boy. Especially with AI. You guys that have AI, this could go nuts. Freaking smash that like button, lads and ladies. Thank you, Cage. I appreciate that, buddy. Again, team, you guys need to hit that 150 like threshold to extend the stream until 11 today. You're at 81. You're close. But no cigar. DraftKings looking at a new high. Yeah, it's like a couple cents off. Check Uber looking phenomenal here. I want to see what it looks like at 81. Might scale, might not. Don't know. Probably not, though. Where's Kava? I don't know. Those are still up over 300%. Net? All right, hold on. Yeah, net there. All right, what are these? Are we going slinging? I need to check premiums, though, because these could be terrible. They're not awful, but they're not good. Dude, why are these spreads all just horrendous here? I mean, I'll try to get it at this. There's a little baby trade here. You gonna give me that? Nope. Well, they're not giving me that nonsense here. No, I'm slinging. I'm slinging. They're being mean. They're being mean on the chain to me. They're being mean to me. Thanks, Tor, for that notification. I'm not hitting the ask. You can go F yourself. I'm going so small, too. I just don't care. Uber looking good. DraftKings looking both good. Oh, they're just cucking. Just give me that. Give it to me. I know you're running. I know. Just give me. I want to see the Kavas go up over what do you call it? 400%. The cops are coming for STV. Yeah, we're doing too much stealing from the market. Oh, there we go. My buddy Will made 125% on the AIs. Check Uber pop. Pop. Net breaking here would be big. 104.50. Watch that. ES pushing. I kind of got to scale something here. I'm a little overweight. Here's what I'll do. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can get a good fill on some Kavas here. I just like with all of that, all the things that I have, everything that's ripping. I gotta take a little off the table. All right, yeah, I'm out. That's fine. That's at 312%. That's fine. The IBMs are good. I don't know. I just feel a little bit fat here. Uber really looking good here. Really looking good on the Ubers here. 40% on those. It's okay, 1% fee for that call out. You know what, Tor? Yeah, so out of the Kava, that's fine. Wish I was in AI with you guys. Check Uber looking phenomenal. I'm going to see how the contracts are at 81. They're not going to be that crazy. I might take a little bite off the table there, but I may not. I don't know. Uber first scale outs up here, 45.25. This is from back here. It's this level on check Uber, 81.86. So, I mean, it's not, if you break this, I think you can easily shoot up to that level there. So I might just leave them. Net hanging around, not doing anything crazy. If ES can hold and really get going here, this could get dirty. But that's why I'm starting to take a little off the table, just because I don't want to be that overweight on a NFP day. Let's see. I'll ditch the free. The free IBMs can go too. Those can go away. Order not filled. We're just gonna leave that there. All right. Let's see what we get. Uber just pushing here, guys. Look at this. DraftKings looking okay. All right. What are we up on the day now? About a percent. It was good hedging. It was good hedging today. Really, really good hedging. There goes Uber. If Uber gets to 81.87, I'll scale today. This level, 81.86, 87, same deal here. Those are up 51% right now. My nets just jumped. Now we're up. Now we're up good. AI calls not going up as much as you thought. That's probably because they were down. Dong's still looking good. Yeah, DraftKings is still looking good, but not as good as check Uber. Yeah, we're up good here. I do want to get out of the IBMs though, for free. I want those gone. I might just hit it here and just be done. Yeah. Oh, that was a good fill. They gave me a gift there. They gave me a gift. That's nice of them. That's very nice of them there. I mean, dude, the AIs are, depending on your expiration date, you're cranking. I mean, my buddy Will was down, and he ended up making 125% on them. So they might have been weeklies. Dude, Uber might have the juice. We might finally have gotten our Uber trade that we've been hunting for. Net coming down a little, screwing around. 104.50 on net is going to be important. If we can get up through there, those are going to be real fun, I think. Maybe it's Interactive Brokers. My AA call disappeared for 3 minutes on the position board. That's very strange. All right. Great day, guys. Another great day in the books. There's been a lot of opportunity to take profits on some really, really awesome trades that we've had. I mean, you guys want to run up the like button to 150? We hang around on a Friday. You guys know you're up 15% today. Attaboy, Ben Currington. The miners are running. Ooh, that's interesting. So again, team, it's your last chance to hop into the mastermind. You guys really have all weekend for this. Now that we have some more people in here, all right, I'll let you guys know what we're going to be doing with the mastermind after Tuesday when we start. So somebody had brought up a good idea to say, all right, well, now that you're starting the live mastermind, why don't you offer it just continuously to everybody else as well? It just won't be necessarily live for them, or give them the opportunity to hop in. So what we're going to do is, since you guys are the ones that took advantage of it first, you guys are all good. But here's what we're going to be doing with the mastermind going forward. After Tuesday, so next Wednesday, the mastermind price is going from $1,000 to $1,500. You'll still be able to get it. It's just going to be at a higher price. But at any time, you'll be able to hop in if that's something that you want. Everybody right now gets the mastermind for $1,000, or if I gave you the discount codes, you're good to go there. And you get both courses for free too, along with that. After Tuesday, though, that deal is not, you're not going to get the courses for free. So I think that's fair to everybody. I think we've given you enough time. I've given you guys some insane discounts, so many different things for free. And I think that's fair to everybody there. We've given you guys enough time to hop in. So you have all weekend to hop in. You guys can give me feedback on that too if you would like to. I'm always open to feedback, but that's what I think we're gonna do. What is going on with my DraftKings contracts here? That's a bit weird. Pay attention to pay a premium. Exactly. DraftKings coming down a little. Uber still just pushing. Push it to the limit. Those are up 55% here. My nets are up 8. Which 13? Nah, they're spready. That's why. There goes ES pumping. Oh, Lord. Best deal ever. Hop in now. There you go, Mo. Cooking with fire today. Account up 25%. Still in Kava. There you guys go. DM'd the runner update on NVIDIA. Oh, boy. What'd you get? What'd you get? Oh, sweet. Let's see. 847%. 800. Oh, wait. Was I not supposed to say that? Sorry. Sorry. Check. Uber. Sorry. I can't stop. Net. I want to see it above 184, 104.50. 60% on the check Ubers. DraftKings not doing as much as I thought it was going to do here, so we'll see. Wow, AI still up there. I know most things are at all-time highs, but either way, you eyeballing anything for the long term? Yes. I got to look at it more, but I really like Robinhood. Where was my re-entry on Uber? Yesterday. So my re-entry on yesterday was with Uber. I'm going to show you guys more of how to do this, but watch this. Ready? Ready? It's just hugging. It's just hugging right here. Watch what we did on AMD. My AMD trade, where was that? Right here. Ready? Boom. Right here. Hug. Boom. Where was coin? Where was coin? Right here. Watch where we are. Ready? Boom. Blast off. So we're gonna talk about that through with you guys in the mastermind as well. DraftKings back up. That's nice. Where's my Uber? Where's 81.86? Oh my God, we might get there. We're 40 cents away on Uber, guys. Dude, it's up 2.5% right now. Woo! Hold on. All right. Come on, Uber. Net coming. ZS coming down? No. Maybe Uber is just going to be our big winner here. Because DraftKings does not look like it wants to participate here. Dang, where's Kava? Maybe I should have just cut the Ubers. Kava ripping, dude. What else do I have? Oh, net. I have net. Shop. I don't really like Shop's chart. I looked at it. Pop up, consolidate in here, shift of trend. I would play that up to 84, then the high. That's what I would do there. I want to see net get over 104.50. That's what I want. Dude, ES is ripping. Where's AMD? You guys were saying AMD was going? Oh, shit. I got to take a look at the long term today. I got to take a look. I can't not, guys. I have to. I have to look. Because I know it. I think it cracked. I think with everything today, I think it had to have cracked the number. It's gotta have. Yep. Yep. Nice. Uber's still hanging out at the highs here. I don't know. I mean, we have our 81, 87 area. So that means you retire tomorrow? No. No, we got more money to make, ladies and gentlemen. You can never have enough. AMD 220. Dude, they're going to early exercise me on these. If it keeps going like this, they're going to get me. They're going to get me. Net hasn't really gotten the pop yet. I mean, it kind of has, but nothing crazy. I want to see Uber get to our level. You just earned an extra pista? No. I didn't make enough in a day for a pista. That's crazy. You guys just made 450 grand in a day? No. No. But hey, it's still good what I did. AI ripping for you guys. I love that. Net coming down. I mean, my stop's below here. So we will see. What a stream today, guys. What a day so far. Check, Uber. All right, let's see what we got. You cracked the threshold for another piece, though. Yeah. I do measure my long term and how many Ferraris I can buy, but it depends on what kind of Ferrari. You know, it just depends. Net is losing it a little here. Nothing crazy, but I mean, that's losing steam a little. ES is not. So the Ubers are probably our big winner here. Yeah. I mean, they're only up 70-something% here. So maybe I target this high. I don't want to sell. I mean, this is great. Maybe I target 82.16. Because we do have this. 81.86. I mean, let's just see what the contracts are like up there. When do you put out your weekly list? On Sunday. So you guys will be getting that on Sunday. So all of you guys in the Swing Kings course, all of you guys hopping into the Swing Kings course, you guys are going to get that on Sunday. A little slow down here. A little slow down. Even with ES pushing, which is interesting. 10-4. Perfect. Yeah, and then again, for all you guys sitting on the sidelines, I'll throw the link in the live chat here. I mean, I was throwing the QR code up, but this is the link to get all the courses for 50% off. The Day Trading Mastery Course strategy is working on its 15th winning month in a row. So, and the Swing Kings course, you guys know the deal with that. Is it an email? It is an email, but make sure you guys are following the @STV Swing Kings Twitter account, because that is going to be where I also put out the list, but you have to send me a DM with your email. If you don't send me a DM with your email so I can confirm that you're in the Swing Kings course, I can't accept you. So that's the deal. You have AI 3 weeks out. Should not get nervous, right? I wouldn't get nervous. That's an awesome candle. DraftKings being a little bit of an asshole. Uber still looks good. Net looking like a bit of an a-hole here too. I do like Net though. Let's see. Uber looking for a new high. What's the high? 81.56. What's the Twitter? It's STV Swing Kings, but it's private. So you have to like send me a DM with your email so I can confirm that you're actually in the courses. There's no freeloaders around here. Sorry. There goes Net dropping hard. That's annoying. That's annoying. Check Uber is still looking really good. DraftKings hanging on, but not as good as it was. kind of want more. See if they fill me. $75% on the Ubers here. Well, I think I'm just going to chill. Been a damn good week. Daily Taylor, you earned it, buddy. You earned it. Palantir going up. Nice. Yeah. I mean, Uber's getting to that target here. It's getting there. I don't know. 30 cents. I don't think 30 cents is enough to get these contracts from 73 to 100%. So I might have to wait. Like my targets, guys, I want them to either be right around or at 100% so I can make them free, or I just wait and they're up way more. That's what I like to look for. Net, honestly, I mean, I don't like that it's doing what it's doing here. So I would love for this thing to keep pushing, especially the way that the overall market was moving. But hey, you can't nail them all. What's the Uber target? It's just these two levels that I have here. You got this prior high and then the other prior high after that. I mean, this was kind of the first one looking at it, but I mean, we've got 81.86 and 82.16 are kind of the two areas there that I'm looking at. Do you think SMCI or NVIDIA will split? I think at some point they definitely will. Also, you guys are slacking hard on the like button today. Slacker, slacker, slacker. 82% on the Ubers here. It might. I mean, I might be able to get these at 100. I don't know. The second target, 82.16, will definitely place them over 100%. Like, for sure. The first one is the one I'm debating whether or not I take any off at. Net trying to come back up. DraftKings just kind of hanging on here. I don't hate it. I mean, it looks all right. We'll see what happens with it. Decent news. March Madness. Let's see. Let's see. Net coming back up. I like that. Got the ad a little lower here. That's good. That's it, though. I'm not adding any more to that. It almost feels like premiums just like aren't moving the way that they should be. I don't know. Uber's up $2 in a day. I have next week contracts. And I mean, again, they're up nice. 80%, which is good. They're not up crazy. Maybe I'm just expecting too much out of it. I mean, it's making highs. I'm up 82.5%. I don't know. We'll see. It's not very far away from being up 100%. I got the contracts at like 33. They're at 60, like 61. They're looking good. I want net above 104.50. That's the next level there. If it breaks there and you get a pop, it's going to have some fun, I think. Hood breaking into highs. Shit. Is it? Fuck. Tesla doesn't want to join the train. Nah, it's probably not going to for a little bit. DraftKings back up. That's nice. Uber 0 DTE is not moving as much either. You have 0 days on it? You're insane. You're an insane person. They need to have you checked like I was as a kid. Damn. Where's Nat? All right. All right. Uber. I mean, just get another push. I want to see what you're like 20 cents higher on these contracts. SPY hit 518. Damn, dude. Damn, man. I remember being checked as a kid. Well, you know, hopefully it was by professionals and not, you know. Yeah, the DraftKings are only up 10% here, which is kind of disappointing on this move. It is a little disappointing. I mean, I thought these were going to be up way more. All right, here we go on check. Here we go. Those are up 88% here. Let's see. I mean, I'd be fine with realizing some gains here on it. 89%. Here's what we'll do. I'll throw a limit order in here. If they want to hit that, fine. If they don't want to hit it, that's perfectly fine too. I'm fine with this. Because if it doesn't hit here, it'll hit here. I'm good with that, man. At net coming up again, that's good. DraftKings coming up. I mean, that's the target there on Uber. So that just smacked. Up 97% on the Ubers here. I'm up over 2% on the account today now, even with the hedge going to basically zero. Michael, you just learned a very valuable lesson about implied volatility, my man. Price for zero, but what the... Yeah, that's IV crush, dude. I mean, looking at this here, depending on where you bought your... Well, up here, you were probably looking good. 58, you were probably looking pretty good on it. Not where it is now, though. That's just IV, man. That, like, unless something's free, like, I will only hold things through earnings if I'm gambling and I don't care, or if I've already made the position so free that, like, it doesn't matter and I'm just trying to add to the cash balance. AMD 220 call from Monday up 100%. Good work. Let's see. Check Uber's trying. Wow, net. Sold that off quick. Yeah. So I've got a limit order on the Ubers. If they want to take that, I'd be thrilled. And then I'm perfectly fine with the remaining positions that I have here. I could call it a day and just close my eyes and be fine. Just got to manage what we have here. I want to see net get that push, but ES didn't help it there. So that's kind of moving with the market. Uber kind of doesn't give a shit. Sorry for my language, but Uber kind of doesn't care. It looks like we're finally getting the move here. So let's see if we can get a push to 82. And then we're good. So my limit is probably going to fill somewhere in between these two levels if it gets through. But you can see how exact I am with... Look at this. It's so simple. You hit our level, you reject. All right. Fine with me. And if it doesn't want to hit, I'll just hold them. Let's see. You got checked after a big hit on your head. They didn't check good enough. Hey, man, it happens. Don't worry. Happens to the best of us. Remember we were talking about my cumulative brain damage this week where, like, I probably have more than everybody? Like, most people in society, I probably have more cumulative brain damage. And I'm still... I'm beating the odds, ladies and gentlemen. We're beating the odds over here. Dude, we got the stream working today too. What a day. What a day. All right. Check Uber. Come on, buddy. One last push. One last push for the day, and then you can take a breather. Just give me a little bit of my money back, and we're good. You're a lizard, though. Your brain cells can just regenerate. I don't think they can. I think this can get the juice. It just needs it over 104.50. Like, you can see it. It's kind of moving around. All right, Uber. Come on. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. The contracts are 5 cents away from hitting it. So we'll see. Net being an a-hole, DraftKings being an a-hole, but Uber carrying us to the promised land here. Just need a little push. That's it. That's all we need. You were a 3-year starter at quarterback in the 80s. Pretty sure your medical history is going to beat your brain damage. No, it's not. I don't think it is. Mainly maybe because I would break bones and then not get them checked. I broke my thumb, My elbow, I had to get checked. That was mandatory because it like really ES is making new highs and we're not seeing that on other things or not new highs. Sorry, but it is pushing. We're not seeing that on what we like. What's going on here? Net coming down, Uber not doing it, DraftKings not doing it, and ES is okay. There you go. Maybe the knocks on the head set some of his screws straight. It's possible, man. It's possible. Come on, buddy. Right in here. 81.98. Give me 20 cents. DraftKings, we're going to need a lot more out of you, pal. You got defibrillated once? Okay. That's that you beat me there. I've never been defibrillated. All right, here we go. Check. Uber. Good day, man. That's because you didn't want people to discover that I was a lizard. Guys, just because I hand out just dirty, disgusting trades all the time does not mean I'm a lizard. We're just good at this. Really good at this. All right. Net, you got to get some juice here. You can't lose 103. You can. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but ideally, that would not happen. We want you back at 10. We want you at 104, buddy. We want you at 104. Here we go. Come on, buddy. You may hold these Kabas for next week. If they're free, do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. You got an all-time high break there that you can just ride it out. Price discovery. Always a good day when you don't have to get defibrillated. Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. It's always a good day when that doesn't happen. Yeah, I'm going to need a little bit more out of Uber here. It might actually be the second target I need. Spy, it's time. It's a bit early for me. Bitcoin eyeing new highs? Oh, how's the crypto account doing? It's still up like 8.4%. Not really moving. Dude, it's so close. Just get a little bloop. Get a little bloop here. It keeps rejecting off 81.81. There's a push. There's a push. There's a push. There's 81.86. That's highs. That's new highs. 81.87 and rejected. Yeah, 4 cents away on getting these contracts filled here. Come on, man. Give me a little bit. Give me a little something. Give me something here, Uber. Let me scale. Make them free. Come on. Come on. Like 81.92 should give it to me. All we need is a little push. No. The AI, the net spreads are annoying me. The DraftKings are flat. What is... That's rude. Oh, is Biden talking right now? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Should have sized hood bigger. Great stream today, SUV. Thank you, Ralph. I appreciate it, buddy. Hey, guys, remember, we're live every single day, Monday through Friday. I'll see you guys Tuesday night for the start of the Mastermind. Oh, Uber flashed there for a sec. I think she wants it. Like, that's a great move on DraftKings. It's like, and I bought it down here, and they're freaking flat. Flatso. I mean, that AI move's dirty. Your favorite person is speaking? What? No. Antonio Brown. No. Dude, Antonio's got to chill. Dude, I open Twitter for 1 second, and Antonio Brown's getting himself into trouble. Yeah, ES shark there a little bit. Uber selling. Kava pop. There you go. Is it ripping? Yeah, that's good, man. What did Brad? Go look at his Twitter. Go look at his Twitter. He's gonna get in trouble for that. It's a Taylor Swift picture. I literally just opened to see what news is like, if I got news on here, and nope, it's Antonio Brown causing a scene. And Net's coming back. I like that. I want our check Uber to do a little something for us here. Let's see here. Yeah, you guys are definitely not hitting the like threshold today. It's all right, though. It's all right. We had probably one of the most money printing streams on YouTube today. So there you guys go. You guys all got access to the Mastermind now. We're going to have some fun, man. Net coming back. DraftKings 2. Uber. Come on, buddy. Round 3. Fight. The hashtag is crazy. Oh, no. What was the hashtag? I didn't even see that. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's normal. That's normal. Oh, Omar, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Welcome back. Hey, man, I've been back. I'm live every day, buddy. Dude, shout out to you, buddy, for the super. Omar, hope you've been kind of paying attention from the back end there. We've been calling out some dirty trades, buddy. It's good to see you back in here. For those of you guys that are new to the stream, Omar is an OG and has probably one of the coolest jobs in the... Wait, Omar, it's very possible that you've shot one of my friends. That came out wrong. CTESPN, dude, I love that. It's very possible. I don't know though. It's also very unlikely but welcome back, dude. Good to see you back in here. Net doing its thing. Check Uber trying. DraftKings being an a-hole. Oh, dude, I love seeing all the people come back. He's a gangster. No. Different. Very different. Kava is on a ripper today, guys. Oh, let's see. Please tell us it was a self-defense. No. He's not. No, stop. Don't say that. That's my fault. It came out wrong. Whew. But yeah, guys, you guys all have the link to the Mastermind now. Again, we're obviously going to be talking about day trading, swing trading, 8 to 10 weeks, 2 classes a week, an hour long each at night. You guys have access to all the recordings. And then I'm going to be giving you guys that college level education in finance. We're going to be talking about macro, how to read what's happening with Powell, all of the different data points. And then one of the most important things is long-term investing, portfolio building, valuation in companies like that. These are skills that you guys absolutely have to know in order to have long-term success in the market. I cannot wait to start with you guys on Tuesday. And remember, once you guys hop in and you guys send me a message with your email, I send you the link to get both the courses for free. So Omar, oh, dude, thank you, Omar. Dude, you don't have to send me supers, bro. I appreciate it, though. Omar, did you, like, take some of the trades I've been looking at? Like, did you look at the, like, the Kava, the Uber, the something? I don't know. I mean, hopefully you're doing really good. That was for shooting your friend. Well, she's really, she's great. Net coming back. I like that. I want it. I want it above 104. Obviously, I want it above 104.50. Come on, Uber. Do it. Go. I'm going to say a thing right now, and everybody's going to lose their mind, but fill me. You just finished the day trade course? Awesome, buddy. There we go. Yeah, so Omar, if you haven't received and you want to hop into the Mastermind, about to buy the swing course, all right, here's what I'll do for you. You can do that. But if you hop into the Mastermind, we're going to go over everything and I'll give you the swing course for free. And since you were in the day trading course, you get the discount code for the Mastermind as well. You made me much money on Uber. Oh, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. What is this message? All right, let's say 94% on the Uber. Fill me. Kava, dirty move today. Dirty move on Kava, ladies and gentlemen. That is just epic. Grabbed AMD on the drop at about 207 yesterday in your live account, up 200% on it. Literally can't thank you enough, Vix. Jay, love you guys. I love you guys. All of you guys that are hopping in. I mean, dude, we have some. I'm gonna have some stuff for you guys next week too. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I got some stuff for you guys next week as well. I got to go through some tickers, but net, this is going to be an interesting one. DraftKings, hopefully it gets its head out of its ass. Uber, if I can be filled on it. Oh, my arm just freaked out. Let's see. What we got here? 4 minutes. Uber's close, man. Uber is close. Let's see. Net being an a-hole. I like that Uber's holding here with the market doing what it's doing. If the market gets a little pop, we've got it on Uber. Just break. Just give me my fill, and then I'm done. You know? Dude, Kava is just ridiculous. Hood is still going. Shout out to you guys that got. And this is the thing, guys. And this is what my whole entire goal was with Swing Kings. The fact that you guys are calling out and taking your own trades is the literal best thing in the world. It's the best. That's exactly what I want. You're all productive members of the live chat now. Like, you guys called Hood, you're probably printing on it. Like, Jay got AMD yesterday at 207. Nailing it. Like, you guys are just... Dude, it's trying here. It's trying. DraftKings moving. Come on, Uber. Come on. AMD's at 225? What the shit? What the shit? Dude. Oh my God. Now I kind of regret selling those calls. Come on. I didn't do it on all of it, but let's see how much I'm up today on the shares. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit, guys. 226. Holy shit. Was AMD a Pelosi trade? No, that was the first stock I like really ever bought. My average on this thing is $11.39. That's ridiculous. Oh, Uber, come on. Come on. Come on. Fill me. Fill it. You're 2 cents away on the options. They're up 103%. Give me. Give now. Now. Stop being an asshole. I'm sorry. I apologize for my language. Go. AMD is just... Dude. Wait, I think I hit my number on it. I think I have. Hold on. There's the... Yeah, I crossed it. I have over 6 figures of AMD. That sounds great. You got a deal. I'll go buy the Master in a bit. Pack and flying to Italy in a few hours to shoot more of your friends. Always remember the Tiger Trades is the best community. Thank you, Omar. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, that's your only hint. I now have over 6 figs of AMD. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, we hit it. That's great. What a day, bro. What a day. Uber, can you just go a little more? So why was this 15-minute candle called? That could probably go nuts. It's the same thing as yesterday. AMD, I love you. 2,000 on Rivian calls. You guys are the best, man. You guys are the freaking best. All right, guys. It's squeezing. 227. We got it. We did it. We freaking did it, man. Look at that. I haven't sold in the big account. I haven't sold a single share ever. Never. AMD, I love you. This is epic. Some of you guys bought it at 60 too. Like, you guys are still up a boatload as well. What a day. What a day, man. That's insane. So, I mean, see, the thing is, I mean, I don't really care about those covered calls. Like, it's fine. If it wants to go up to my level, like, do it. Early exercise me, give me the cap. Bitcoin broke 70K. Oh, is my crypto account going nuts? No, it's not even freaking moving. That's stupid. Well, Uber, you literally came within like 2 cents of doing it. That's just rude. Where's Net? Is Net? This is screwing around. Where's Net? Net being an asshole. DraftKings being an asshole. All right. I mean, Uber pulling back. That's fine. Team, it's 10:30. We're going to be wrapping it up for today. As you guys know, the Mastermind link is in the top of the live chat. For those of you guys that aren't going to join us in there, again, you guys are seeing this every single day. Here is the link to the 50% off for the courses. Make sure you guys are hopping in there, man. I mean, that's going to completely change the game for you guys. You guys can see it in the live chat every single day. Everybody's just printing. So, team, Omar, I'll shoot you a DM right now with the link and the discount code for the Mastermind. So I will see you guys later. What a freaking week, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to do it again next week, as usual, live every single day, 9 a.m. We finally got the streams working again. I'm going to go celebrate AMD. I'm going to celebrate, man. What do you want me to do now? Look at this. What's it at? What's it at? Is it still up there? Yeah, I still got it. It's still over that level. That's awesome, man. All right, team. Peace.